Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to practice kapalbhati kriya. This is the very important cleansing process among Kshatriyas in yoga. Kapalbhati is a Sanskrit terminology which means kapala means our skull, bhati means shining, so we are shining our skull. This cleansing process will be help to increase your lung capacity, it energizes your mind and it turns your digestive organs. After Kapalbhati, you can start your pranayama and asanas practices. In Kapalbhati, once you take a deep inhalation, there is only focus on your intentional forceful exhalation. The role of inhalation is passive during your Kapalbhati. When you start your Kapalbhati, in every exhalation, your stomach goes down. If you're getting tired, you can stop your practice and take a couple of normal breaths, then start again your practice. You can start with 30 strokes in each round or as much as you possible. If you are a beginner, you don't worry about the count of the exhalation or force of the exhalation. Gradually you will be improve yourself. The people who should not perform Kapalbhati as if you have any severe heart disease, lung disease, hernia, currently wheezing or having any stomach surgery and pregnant ladies also. Let's go and do Kapalbhati. First of all, you have to sit in a comfort sitting position, whether you can sit in a Siddhasana or Padmasana, whatever you feel comfortable. And bring your both hands in Chin Mudra. Your index finger and thumb finger is touching each other like this. And make your spine straight and head straight. That is very important. Always keep in mind, don't squeeze your facial muscles and tense your shoulders while you're doing Kapalabhati. Okay, then close your eyes. Take a couple of normal breathing. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale a deep inhalation. First round Kapalbhati begins. Exhale completely empty stomach. Again inhale couple of normal breath. Then relax yourself. You can do 3 rounds of Kapalbhati in your session. If you are a good practitioner, you can hold your breath at least 30 seconds after every 30 strokes. I hope you enjoyed my video. Kindly share with your friends as usual. We will meet with another wonderful video. Until then, goodbye.